Today we're going to show you how you can use Content Agent Studio to create an AI writing agent for all of your meta descriptions. First, from your dashboard, go down to this plus icon. And at the top, you can name your agent. Then give it a description. And if it doesn't have a name already or the content type has not been defined, you can simply write it here and hit enter. Then all you'll need are 3 examples of what you consider to be high quality meta descriptions. So I prepared the examples here. Then click Create Content Agent. And in just a few moments, your writing agent will be available 24/7 and on brand. When your agent is ready, click Create New and add your brief. For this, I'm simply going to copy and paste one of our blog posts, then hit Save and Generate. And just like that, we have our meta description here, and we can edit it directly in the platform if there's anything we'd like to change. Once you've finished your edits, you can find any of your previous runs right here under the agent that you're working with, and you can create any new ones with a campaign brief at any time. So now your go-to-market team has an always-on branded 24/7 writing agent for any meta descriptions that you need to help your SEO perform better.